you know that the easiest, most profitable and economical way to convert an only audio system to audio-video is by using the gateway? Easiness of conversion of an only audio system to audio-video is, since ever, one of the most important characteristics of duo system. The traditional solution implies installing a camera in the outdoor panel and replacing, for the interested users, a video intercom for the audio handset. Of course, that's working, provided that the original audio system was designed and realized in terms of its structure as if it were a video system, which means installing video distributors for all the users using a cable which is suitable to transmit the video signal. Using the gateway, instead, permits to get the same result without installing video distributors, regardless of the type of cable. Therefore, that's the easiest way to make the conversion. It's the easiest, but also the most profitable, especially for the end user. In fact, he will be able to manage all the video intercom functions from his smartphone, as if it were at home, regardless of where he is physically. Finally, converting an only audio system to audio-video using the gateway permits to maximize the benefits, especially security, minimizing installation and management costs.